All right, guys. Thanks for having us here at the Little Haiti Culture Night Out. We're here from Fafa magazine, and we have Best Kreyol Network in the building. Then again, big welcome again to you, Mr. Casares.
Appreciate it.
I want to give you the time of the light to introduce yourself.
Sure, absolutely. Well, my name is Matthias Casares, born in South Africa, Argentine parents, and basically I dedicate myself to marketing and promoting Haitian soccer talent, mostly elite talent, talent that's professional or collegiate level. And with that being said, I brought on Fafa to the Haitian Soccer Association network, where we're basically giving him publicity and making him the face of the Haitian national team that's about to take on Chile on September 9th.
It's a big thing. I thank you a lot for what you're doing on behalf of us, on behalf of what we represent here,
Sure.
On behalf of Haiti. We thank you a lot because this could have come any sooner than that. This is a great time right now.
I
thank
strongly agree.
you very much.
Thank you.
Then again, we're gonna switch to Mr. Fabrice. Just to put you in and fill up real quick, just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, my name is Fabrice Picault, but everybody calls me Fafa. That's my nickname since birth. I was born in New York, in Manhattan, and I moved to Miami when I was 9 years old. And I stayed here until 16, and that's when I moved to Cagliari to play soccer in Italy. And that's where my career really started to take off. But I've been playing soccer since I was 2. I've been training, and it's really something that's in my family. My grandfather also played for the Haiti national team, and my father also played professional soccer. So it's something that's been in the family for a while. Yeah.
Okay. Why soccer? Why is it after your father, grandfather? Why not something else?
Well, just soccer. I mean, there's also music in my blood. I do, I have a rhythm. I sing.
Okay.
But soccer is just something that I had the most passion for, and I've always believed whatever you have the most passion for and where your heart leads you is really what you got to pursue. And my dad was always a great coach to me, and he really took me in depth into the game, and I had him to look up to, and I had a great coach and a leader in that sense. And I also had my grandfather, who was a monument in Haiti, who was an important player in Haiti and for the Haitian national team. So I just felt led to do that, and it's just something I love to do. I feel free on the field. It's just a beautiful game, and I just love everything about it.
Now, you say you played in Italy.
Yes.
What's the name of the club again?
Cagliari. Yeah.
From Italy.
Yeah.
Where you at now? What pushed you to do so? From Italy to now, you representing the whole Haitian soccer team. Is it blood? Is it is it the choice? What really pushed you to make that decision? Because it's a big decision.
Definitely. Having represented also the U.S. national under 20 national team before, just the fact that my grandfather has worn this jersey before, and the fact that it's just it's great timing. It's a friendly against Chile. It's an exciting game. It's an opportunity for me to play in front of both a Haitian and American crowd. For those Haitians that will be traveling to the game, and for the Haitians that do live in America, it's a great opportunity, and it's just the perfect timing. I'm right at home, so it's a great chance to play against Chile, which is a contender for the.
It's a big team.
A very big national team.
I mean, you was watching a couple of months ago what happened. How far did they go?
Yeah, almost won against Brazil. So
yes, sir.
This is a great test and a great opportunity to show what I'm really about and what my game is about.
One last question for you, my man.
Yes, sir.
Are we gonna win this game?
That's the only objective.
To win this game.
That's the only objective.
So do I have your word we're gonna win this game?